Welcome, futures traders. Another day, another box smashed. Let's get right into it. April 2nd, our first setup came in at 7 a.m. West Coast time. You can see the smash spike line hitting over 500, which is above our threshold of 400. Keeping in mind we are above current point of control, this setup isn't ideal as we should be looking for buys only. But the setup asked for a short as we drew the smash box and price went below it. When price comes back to the box, we hit sell. The bad news this time is we took a 20-point loss. However, if you notice, that zone is still very important. Once price comes back to it from above, it takes off to the north for a huge win. Smash boxes are not perfect, but they do show you where the big institutions are acting. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.